Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's top story, South Sudan government has reached a new agreement with international company to increase oil production in the country. The announcement was made after a high-level meeting in Juba led by Vice President Dr. Benjamin Bolmel, who also head the economic cluster. In the meeting, major oil companies like CNPC, Sinopec, Nalpet, and ONGC joined the government to plan the way forward. According to the Minister of Petroleum, the country is working on serious plan to restart and improve oil production even as conflict continues in neighboring Sudan. Well, Engineer Deng Lualwal, the Undersecretary in the Ministry, said the government has a clear strategy to increase crude oil output soon and in the future. The meeting led to important decisions including creating a task force to help restart oil activities, quickly repairing and maintaining oil field, training and using more South Sudanese workers. They also plan to do more oil drilling and use better technology to stop problems like water and sand blocking oil flow. The Vice President reminded everyone that how important oil is to South Sudanese economy and promised full government support to the company working in the country. Oil production has already restarted in Block 3 and 7 since May, even though the war in Sudan is still causing transport and cost problems. According to Engineer Lual, Deng said, "We are ready to restart working on the agreement from this meeting, even with the challenges we face due to the war in Sudan. This is a step forward for our relationship with our oil partner. Although the company patronized has left South Sudan, the other companies are staying. The government say it is now focused on being open and honest with investors to grow the oil sector and help the country economy." This agreement gave hope for more oil production and better cooperation between South Sudan and its international partner. If you are new to my channel, please, I would like you to help me by subscribing, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.